So today we're going to manage sales and orders. To start off, go into your dashboard, scroll down, you're going to see your sales, earnings, page reviews, orders. On the right side, you're able to see the visual representations of the sales of the month. You can see all of your orders, the reviews, the products, and the latest announcement. Let's scroll up and go to orders. The default of a new order will always be on hold. Let's click on the order to learn more about it. Here you can see the order status is on hold, and at the bottom you have a small note that indicates the reason. Here the issue is awaiting back payment order status changed from pending payment to on hold. Once the payment has been processed, you can actually change the order status. At the left side, you can see the Ankara bucket hat, the cost, the quantity, and the total amount. You can see the discount, the shipping price, the order total, and any amount refunded. At the bottom, you can see the billing address and the shipping address, and you also have the downloadable product permission if it is a software product. Let's scroll down. You can actually add a note, customizable, a customer note, or a private note depending on your requirements. Let's add a note. You can also change the order status from on hold to processing to completed, cancelled, refunded, or failed. And that's how to manage your orders. Thank you for watching. Click the video on the screen to learn more about ShopPaddi.